So I'll do my best to try and explain the whole process. Basically, what you're gonna want to do is, there's a little plate right there under the car, right there. You want to lift it on both sides. Lift it up, jack it up. Then what you're gonna do, I'm not sure if this one's bad. Nope. This one's good. That one's good. Let me see, baby. Clearly this one doesn't sound the same. So what you're gonna want to do is, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna take these off. You're gonna put this under your car in case it falls, you don't chop your feet off. Oh yeah. Oh, got my finger. Clearly that's not supposed to be like that.